Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you the best software that are really useful in your day-to-day life. Also, these software are absolutely free. So, let's get started. The first software is Specky. Most operating systems come with system information tools that are somewhat limited on the information they provide. Specky is a great tool that displays more of your system's software and hardware specifications. This comes in handy when troubleshooting your PC or when preparing to upgrade the hardware on your computer. Specky displays your system specs in expandable categories like CPU, RAM, motherboard, and graphics. Along with several other categories, you can even see the real time temperatures of some of the hardware on your computer. You can choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. In the options, you can even save or export your system's data as text or XML files that can be useful when getting help to diagnose your computer's problems at this time. Specky is only available on Windows operating systems. It does offer a paid version, but for most users, the free version will be all that they need. Up next is VLC Media Player. It is an open source media player for watching videos and for listening to audio of your favorite music and podcasts. It plays almost any type of file without the need of installing codec packs. Some of you may recall the frustrations of having to deal with codecs. Not fun at all. VLC is highly customizable to suit your needs. You can even install plugins to change the look and functionality of VLC by going to Tools and then selecting Plugins and Extensions. The only limitation I found is that it does not play Blu-ray movies. Other than that, it's a great media player. VLC is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It's even available on iOS and Android. WPS Office, which was formerly known as Kingsoft Office, is an office suite which consists of great alternatives to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. In fact, WPS is compatible with those Microsoft Office products and has a similar look. Among all the products in the suite, it has the standard ribbon at the top with options that are very similar to Microsoft Office. I normally use Microsoft Office, but after a week of using WPS, I found the differences to be very minor. You can even export documents to PDFs. One minor downside is that it is ad supported, but the ads are not too much of a distraction. WPS Office is available for Windows Mac, and Linux mobile apps are also available for Android and iOS. If you're looking for a great free alternative to Photoshop, then GIMP is what you're looking for. GIMP is a free, open source image editor available across multiple platforms, including GNU Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools suitable for graphic designers, photographers, illustrators, and scientists, facilitating tasks from photo retouching and image composition to graphic design. GIMP supports high quality color management, ensuring accurate color reproduction across digital and print media. Its extensibility is enhanced through integration with programming languages like Scheme, Python, and Perl, allowing users to customize and expand its functionality via a wide array of community developed plugins and scripts. Ninite is a great program that installs and updates multiple programs at once. Ninite simplifies the installation and updating of multiple applications on Windows systems. Users select desired apps from a curated list, and Ninite compiles them into a single installer. This installer automatically downloads and installs the latest versions in the background, bypassing prompts and excluding unwanted toolbars or add-ons. Ninite ensures applications are up to date and compatible with the user's system, streamlining software management for both personal and professional use. 7-Zip is a free, open source file archiver offering high compression ratios and extensive format support. It efficiently compresses and decompresses files using advanced algorithms like LZMA and LZMA2, achieving superior compression rates, especially with its native 7Z format. 7-Zip supports packing formats such as 7Z, Zip, gzip, bzip2, xz, and tar, and can unpack formats including RAR, ISO, and YM. It provides AES-256 encryption in 7Z and zip formats for secure file compression and can create self-extracting archives in the 7Z format. The software integrates with Windows Shell, offering a user-friendly interface and command line support for advanced users. Compatible with Windows operating systems and localized in 87 languages, 7-Zip is accessible globally. Licensed under the GNU Lesser General Public License, it is free for both personal and commercial use without registration or payment. So, these are some of the best software that can be used for free. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.